Here's how to remove and install the headlights on the Porsche Boxster. Locate the headlight removal tool. On the Boxster, it's located in the front trunk, inside the plastic toolbox, under the panel. Detach the little plastic turn fastener holding the trim in place next to the headlight and peel the trim back. There will be a rubber stopper inside of the car body. Remove the rubber stopper by pulling on it. Underneath is the release mechanism.
Towards the front of the car and then drop it.
First we push the headlight out, and then we make sure the lever to release is in the lowered position. You'll see shortly.
Back. Towards the front. And then let it drop. It's now unlocked.
When we're about to reinstall, this lever should be lowered.
There are no electrical connectors to worry about on the Boxster. The headlights are designed to slide in and out of the connectors on the rails. Pull the headlight out and you're done. With the headlights out, you can do anything now. See my videos for headlight bulb replacement and headlight restoration. For $20, we turn old, fogged up headlights into gorgeous, like new beauties. To reinstall the Boxster headlights, make sure the release lever mechanism is facing down. Reinsert the headlights onto the rails. Reinserting the headlights onto the rails might take a few tries to get it perfectly right.
Insert the headlight onto the rails and push it in. With the headlight tool inserted into the lever, turn it up until you hear an audible click. Let's watch it live.
Line the things. And while we're inserting, push it in and click it in. And the headlight is clicked in position. Position here. We line the rails. So. Now it's clicked in. The click is very important because we do not want our headlights flying out on hard braking. Then we just reinsert our tools.
Put everything away, reinstall the stopper, reinstall the trim, put the tools away, and we're done. Congratulate yourself on a job well done.